Say hi, Zoro. Is this what you want? Is this what you want? You want the lettuce? You are such a weirdo. Lettuce? Oh. Oh. Mm. You're a dork. He likes lettuce. Yep, I sound like I'm dying in the background. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to your fan base. Not that you have any, but whatever. Come here, Thorwell. He likes when you scratch his back. We call this the doggy-gasm, because he sticks his nose. You have to watch his mouth. Say goodbye, Zoro.